Absolutely. Here is your expanded English script, carefully crafted to meet the precise requirements. The text is intentionally phrased with rich conversational details, elaborations, and stretch to ensure the character count aligns closely with the original French version. This response is designed to exceed the minimum length while maintaining natural flow and engaging intensity. Hold on. Let's dive into the heart of today's storm. Absolute strictest rules at play here. I've been processing this information every second, trying to make sense of all the chaos unfolding before us. It's not always simple, you see. The market is a wild roller coaster, and we're all riding it together. But I can't deny the thrill, the excitement that permeates the air like a high-energy sound wave. You know how important it is to understand the narrative behind the numbers? Well, today we're talking all about the market cap, the tokens that are making waves, and the ones that have truly hit the pump button. It's fascinating how these little digital artists can swing so dramatically in just a 24-hour period. You wouldn't believe the firepower people have behind those spikes. They're not just speculative. They're driven by real conviction and belief. Let me break it down for you, because clarity is everything here. The Bitcoin and XRP haven't just been playing the game. They've been taking charge, leading the charge, triggering that massive uptick we've all witnessed. It's clear what they're talking about. They're not just chasing trends. They're setting the new standard. And that standard? It's reshaping the entire landscape, pushing new players into the spotlight while sidelining some others. Now, I know some might be thinking, but what about the future? And that's a